Here's an 800-word script for a YouTube car review video of the Chuck Wagon, covering the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing, with a natural, engaging tone suitable for YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something a little different but definitely intriguing: the Chuck Wagon. Yeah, you heard that right, a vehicle that carries a name rooted in the Old West, but with modern ambition. Whether you're here for the rugged looks, utilitarian performance, or just curious about what exactly a Chuck Wagon is doing in today's auto market, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with the exterior. First impressions: this vehicle is unapologetically tough. It's got that square, utilitarian silhouette that screams function over form, but not without some deliberate style choices. The front grille is bold, blacked out, and flanked by chunky LED headlamps that give it a bit of a modern, industrial vibe. The body panels are squared off and robust, hinting at durability rather than sleek aerodynamics. It's not trying to be a city crossover or a luxury SUV. It's designed to work, to haul, to go places that probably don't even show up on Google Maps. Ground clearance is impressive, with thick, all-terrain tires that come standard. There are skid plates underneath, heavy-duty bumpers, and a roof rack that's ready for anything from kayaks to camping gear. Whether you're off to a job site or heading into the wilderness, this thing looks like it can handle it. One neat touch: the matte paint options. You can get it in sand, army green, or a flat black that just looks mean in the best way possible. Now, step inside, and you'll immediately get the sense that the Chuck Wagon's interior is just as focused on durability as its exterior. But don't mistake that for being Spartan. Sure, you're not getting suede or carbon fiber trims here, but what you do get is solid, well-thought-out functionality. The dashboard layout is simple, with oversized buttons and knobs that can easily be operated with gloves on. That's a nod to people who actually use their vehicles outdoors, in the cold, in mud, in work gear. The materials are rugged rubberized flooring, hard plastics that are easy to clean, and water-resistant seat covers. But here's the cool part: it doesn't feel cheap, it feels practical, and you do get some surprising touches of modernity, like a digital gauge cluster, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports scattered throughout the cabin. The seats themselves, supportive and bolstered, with enough adjustment to keep you comfortable on long hauls or bumpy trails. The rear seats fold completely flat, giving you a cargo space that rivals some mid-sized trucks. There's even an optional slide-out tray in the back, perfect for tools, tailgates, or even turning the back into a makeshift kitchen setup on your next overland trip. Performance-wise, the Chuck Wagon is no slouch. Under the hood, you've got a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 pumping out 310 horsepower and 375 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that feels surprisingly refined. Acceleration is brisk, considering the vehicle's size and weight. You're not going to be winning drag races, but that's not the point. What matters is torque, and the Chuck Wagon delivers plenty of it, especially low-end grunt, which is perfect for towing and off-roading. It comes standard with 4-wheel drive, and the system includes selectable drive modes: snow, mud, sand, and rock crawl. There's even a locking rear differential, which is a game changer when the trail gets gnarly. Ride quality is surprisingly comfortable for something this rugged. On the road, it's firm but not punishing. Off-road, the suspension soaks up bumps with confidence. There's a bit of body roll in corners, sure, but again, this isn't built for carving canyons. Now, in terms of fuel economy, don't expect Prius numbers. The Chuck Wagon gets about 17 mpg city and 22 on the highway, which is decent for what it is. If you're looking for ultimate efficiency, there is talk of a diesel variant coming next year, so keep an eye on that. Now let's talk pricing, which might be one of the biggest selling points. The base model starts around $28,000. That gets you the essentials: 4-wheel drive, the durable interior, and the base engine. Step up to the mid-tier Trail Pro trim for around $34,000, and you'll get upgraded suspension, heated seats, a tow package, and some off-road goodies like crawl control and hill descent assist. The top-tier Overland X model, you're looking at about $42,000, fully loaded with everything from roof lighting, a winch-ready bumper, and integrated navigation with trail maps. Compared to other off-roaders in its class, the Chuck Wagon is seriously competitive. It undercuts the Bronco and Wrangler on price, And while it may not have quite the same brand prestige, it delivers on capability and utility. Plus, it's refreshingly straightforward, no fluff, no gimmicks, just a solid rig ready to work or play hard. So, who is the Chuck Wagon for? It's for the adventurer who values reliability over flash, the contractor who needs a tool, as tough as they are, or the weekend warrior looking for a dependable off-roader without breaking the bank. It's honest, it's bold, and it doesn't try to be something it's not. Alright folks, that wraps up our full review of the Chuck Wagon. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this beast? Are you team luxury SUV? Or do you like something with a bit more grit? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real-world vehicle reviews. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.